Hey guys, what's up? I want to do a quick video here, talk a little bit about the Samsung Galaxy S4 and also show off some of my Galaxy smartphones. So if you start off here by talking about the Samsung Galaxy S4, I have a tips and tricks channel for the Galaxy S4, and it's probably going to be the page that's going to be 100% dedicated to the Galaxy S4, and I'm probably going to upload a ton of Galaxy S4 videos to my main YouTube channel. But I want to build a Galaxy S4 channel because I think that is going to be one of the one of the most popular phones for this year. So I want to have a community for that, so I can feed them with everything that they want in terms of videos. So if you want to subscribe to that channel, you can go and do so in the description down below. So let's talk a little bit about the Galaxy S4. It seems like we today got 2 camera samples leaking out. So the rumors right now about the Galaxy S4, I mean, I made so many videos about it, but I can sum it up here pretty quick. Right now it's saying that the Galaxy S4 is going to be unveiled on March 14 or the 15th, so that is around 3 weeks from now. So we're really closing in right now, and it's going to have a 5-inch display according to rumors. This Super AMOLED Full HD display. It's rumored to be the codename i9500 or i9505. 30 megapixel camera. It seems like, according to those pictures, when they did look at the EXIF data, that it will be the same sensor as in the Xperia C, which is the Sony BSI sensor. And also it seems like the aperture is going to be f2.2, so going from it was 2.6 or 2.8 on the Galaxy S3, so it's getting better over there. Also 4mm focal length. I'm not quite sure what that means, but something. It's going to have this Exynos 5 5450. Could have, there's rumors right now that Samsung is having problems with their octa-core processor. That's basically, this Galaxy S4 could be the first phone running 8 cores. So these cores won't be used at the same time, but they will be a setup if it's going to be this octa-core of quad-core Cortex A15, so that's twice what Samsung is using right now. They're using right now the Galaxy S3 and the Galaxy Note lineup, the Cortex A9, so Cortex A15, and then also that they may use 4 A7 cores that will be used in like an idle state when you don't do that much. That's about it about the Galaxy S4, so check out that channel if you want to know more about it. And then of course I will do more videos about the Galaxy S4 on my main channel as well. So I'm a Galaxy guy, okay, and I also may get the Galaxy S4 early because I'm really much deep into phones, and I may get a sponsorship here pretty soon, so I can get in contact more with these smartphone companies, these huge companies, and maybe get phones so I can review them and all those things, and that I can get them early, so I don't have to worry about paying for phones and stuff. So that's awesome. So I want to show off in this video how much dedicated I am to Galaxy phones. So I bought this, actually one of my first Android smartphones that I really did love. Used that one for around 2 months, and in the beginning I thought it was big, but then I got used to it. And then I bought the Galaxy Note, the first Note, and that was so amazing because that's a massive display, 5.3 inch. It was really cool experience having one of the biggest smartphones ever. Then I also bought the Galaxy Nexus, which is a Nexus phone, and that basically means that it gets the latest version of Android first and all those good things. And that was a phone that I didn't actually use for a long time. Lost around 2 years or so. I only been using Galaxy phones. I mean, I used this one for 2 months, then I switched to the Galaxy Note immediately when it did come out, and I used that one for 6 months. And then the summer of last year when the Galaxy S3 came out, I used that one for 6 months, and then used a few months back I switched to the new Galaxy Note 2, and that was just amazing. And it's still my main phone right now, and you can see how smashed that screen is. Smash, and it's totally dead almost. But I'm probably gonna, very soon when the Galaxy S4 comes out, I will probably make a switch and use Galaxy S4 for 6 months. Then I bought the Galaxy S3 Mini here, and I have been doing some reviews, very successful reviews of the Galaxy S3 Mini that's been receiving a ton of views, comparing it against the Galaxy S2 that's already back here, but people are still interested in that phone because a lot of people own that phone. So then I also bought the Galaxy S2 Plus, which is kind of like one of the biggest fail Galaxy phone I've ever tried out, because it's kind of like the original Galaxy S2, but it's worse. It has a worse GPU and has different colors. Color over here feels a little bit plastic, but I don't like it. And then just a few, was around 2 weeks back or something. No, I think it was just around 1 week ago. I bought the Galaxy S3 4G variant. So I have 4G speeds, and 4G is kind of new in my country, so that's just amazing. So this is my quick little Galaxy lineup, and oh yeah. So I just got a text, but I mean, these are the devices. These are the killer deal. And soon, hopefully, I will add the Galaxy S4 over here and the Galaxy Note 3. But Galaxy Note 3 probably won't come until a few more years. But I'm really a hardcore Samsung guy. I mean, I love phones. I bought all of these phones, and this is just my Galaxy phones. I mean, it's pretty intense. So I'm going to be very, very dedicated when the Galaxy S4 comes out. I'm going to do amazing videos about it. I can't wait to see it, because I love phones. So hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you want to check out my Galaxy S4 channel once it will come out, or it's already out, I already have like 20 subscribers to it. But if you want to subscribe to it and know everything about the Galaxy S4, especially on that channel, because it's going to be more dedicated to tips and tricks, show off a ton of features and cool things about the Galaxy S4, please subscribe to that YouTube channel. Until next time, just have an awesome day, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Yeah, peace.